Okay, we are doing the dimension content integration. We are group 1.
Hi, I'm Jonathan Zamora, and I'm doing definition. Content integration in multicultural education is a process in which teachers use examples from different cultural backgrounds or groups in which they use in their teaching to either illustrate key concepts, abstract ideas, and discuss topics within their subject area.
My name is Madison Ortiz, and I got question number 2, which would be real-life examples in the classroom. A real-life example for content integration is the inclusion of books based off of different nationalities that include specialized dates and holidays that countries celebrate, along with the introductions of different flags. This knowledge for students to have and understand the basics of other nationalities allows them to be able to incorporate more into the creation of their own flags that represents themselves with colors, pictures, animals, and ideas from other countries. This also allows diverse students in the classroom to feel positive and know that their background is included and important in their learning aspect.
My name's Danitza Diaz, and I got question number 3, which was challenges. So a challenge that we can face in content integration is it reinforces that African American history and Mexican American history are separate and apart from U.S. history. So in essence, the ethnic minorities can be a part of U.S. history, which with content integration, it can be seen as separate, where it's like we're all a part of U.S. history, which can cause a problem. So another problem can also be time. There's already a lot of stuff that a teacher has to cover, so content integration can take up a lot of time. Another challenge could be it can be difficult to include diversity in the classroom if the school area is not known for the diverse community and background knowledge of the other ethnicities.
My name is Sarah Smith. I am answering question number 4, which is basically just a visual example included in our PowerPoint. And this image that I provided is actually representing various dialects from North America alone that are just basic. That some research even suggests that it's actually impossible to count the number of dialects in the United States, but understanding different dialects is important to understand how other cultures use words, and it can help us break free from the language barriers between students. And there's other examples that I found that share that there's 8 major dialects in North America, but among all the blended diverse cultures in society, they can't really count for how many real dialects are spoken. And that goes into the content integration aspect because it's important for all the students to understand where the children are coming from, because if one teacher has to specify that this lesson is how we learned it in our language, well, just because we learned it this way doesn't mean that other cultures are going to understand it. So we have to take into account and integrate that into different curriculum and lessons, because all students should be able to understand the work that they're learning, not just because in California we have a Western dialect, so to speak. Well, that's just in the United States that we have these simple dialects. So we have to take into account other various cultures among the whole global community. This is the end of our slide, and we believe that content integration is, although challenging time-wise, it's very important to take into account when the teachers are creating the curriculum for their classrooms and the districts, because it helps blend our society as a joint community across America. Thank you.